Alright guys, we're gonna take a look at one of our new Buyee bargains. We took it out for a little quick spin. I made a quick video. I'm not sure if it's going to be put in this video or not. Might be at the end, might be I built the video yet, but runs really good. Right off the bat, it didn't have any bearings or bushings in this front piece, but this is the DF02. My opinion, it's basically like a TTO1T or B buggy, like a TTO2B. That's what it reminds me of. It was stock Canon, whatever this, I don't know what this is. You know, funny thing is the servo in here is option number 1. I didn't even know they made shocks, so this might be an option number 1, part 2. But we'll probably throw a 1060 in there. Sorry about the AC. Turn that off. Can you hear me a little better now? So, yeah, so I'll probably do a fast forward video. There's a couple bent parts and all that, so we'll do a quick cleanup and swap out our motor, swap out our ESC. We're going to be using this. This came out of the DF03 because the DF03 is getting the one from our other DTO2. And we'll put this in there and we'll see how she goes. It's brushed. I don't know anything about it, so if you guys know anything about this orbital match mod, it was in a racing buggy, so hopefully it'll do this good. Runs really good on the track. Actually, I'll probably throw that video in the end there. So from here on, I'll just cut and we'll get some fast forward going and get her right back on track. You guys dig that little quick set. I had to give her a good run before I took her in. So I'm not sure if you'll see this before or after bench time, but you know how I do. This is the DF02 with their URGENEX 5200. It's not a fresh battery, it's pretty old actually. I ran it last night in the dark. But mechanics are all sound. We need to get rid of that silver can. And I think I need to put a regular 1060 in there. This thing don't even go in reverse, so until I find out what kind of ESC it is and all that, it is what it is. So I'll be back in a minute.